Hi guys, welcome to TechCatAssist. I hope that you have a great day. Today I'm going to show you compression files and compression formats. Compression's like packing a suitcase efficiency before a trip, so it reduces the space. Some of the software, compression software, reduce the size of the files by eliminating redundant data. So in this video I'm going to show you maybe three formats, okay? Zip, which is the very popular one. It's used very commonly by many software and operating systems. And then we have WinRaR, RAR format. It offers better compression. It can squeeze more files efficiently, and it gives you a few options as well. The other format is 7zip 7z. It's a program that gives you again the same level of compression as probably WinRAR or maybe better, but it offers as well a speed, and plus it's free. So I'm gonna start maybe with Windows option that you have available in that operating system for compressing files. So first of all, if you can see here on the screen, I have a new folder, and inside that folder I have few files, various different files like text file, some PowerPoint, some pictures as well. You can add anything there, okay? So basically, if you have your documents or you have videos, you have plenty of files. You want to put those files in one big file, then you can just put it in one folder, and then you can zip it. You can pack all these files in one big file. So in Windows, you have this option. If you select everything, okay, I'm gonna select all the files here and right click on it. You see there's three options here, and then click on send to and compressed zip folder. Okay, so that's gonna create, that's done already. That's gonna create one file that has all these files here inside. So if I'm gonna close this now, you can do the same with the folder actually itself. So if you click on the folder, right click and click on send to compressed zip folder, okay? That's gonna create another file. I actually went to my other desktop, and now there it is here. So okay, that's the folder, that's the file that has all the files inside. It's one file that you can send by email, or you can share it with OneDrive. So if I'm gonna open it, it opens in. I have already installed WinRAR, so it's open in WinRAR by default. But if you open it, if you have something else, some computers, laptops comes with the pre-installed zip software. So sometimes maybe you need to pay for it after 7 days or something like that. So if you have it, just right click on it, and if you click open with, and then you have an option there, Windows Explorer. That's gonna open for you those files without going to any other software, okay? So that's the zip option that you can use on Windows, and you don't have to have any programs. It's a feature that is built into Windows operating system. Okay, now as you can see, I have this icon actually comes from the software WinRAR. I have that installed on my computer already. I'm gonna show you how you can get it, okay? Okay, so accept all. So you can download WinRAR from here. Okay, if you click on that, that will download for you, asking you where to save it. And I'm just gonna, I don't know, I'm not gonna install it, but it's there for you. Now WinRAR is not free. Actually, it has unlimited evaluation license. So for your kind of home using, you can use it for free as long as you need. Okay, so there's no need for pay. They have a different kind of business model for that. If you're a business, you have to pay, but in most of the cases, you don't have to pay for WinRAR. Okay, So I'm gonna show you how to use WinRAR to pack your files as well. So I'm just gonna remove this folder here, okay, this file, sorry. So I'm gonna open it just now, and again, now I'm gonna select all the files here. You see, I also selected this file that I've packed before. So then I'm gonna right click on it, and I go to Add to Archive. Okay, so this option is gonna give me a menu here. See the few options here. You can name the file. Now you can choose the archive format. So if you're sending this file to someone else and they don't have this software, you can put as a zip. So they will be able to open with Windows Explorer. But I'm gonna use RAR format because the option that is here is very handy. It's a set password. So if I'm gonna click on the set password, and I'm gonna put password, let's say test. Okay, and then click on OK, and OK. So now this file, now here on that I just created, it's like a suitcase with password. So if someone's gonna try to open it, they have to know the password for that. Okay, so if I'm gonna now the Windows zip software is not going to work because it doesn't have a feature to read the password. So the person that has this software will be able to open this folder, these files with the password. So I'm gonna click on it twice. That opens the file for me. You can see the files, of course, but if I want to read it, this one, for example, there you go, you're asking me for the password. Okay, so if I'm gonna send this file, this packed WinRAR file to other person, I have to let them know the password, okay? Because otherwise they won't be able to open the file. So if I'm gonna put test, and there you go, I can open this, and I can read the content. Of course, this is empty, but that's how it works. Okay, so basically, it's giving you an option to set a password. Now, the third software, 7-Zip. Now, 7-Zip is a free software. You can download it from Google. Just if you Google it, just click on download, and then here download. I'm gonna save it here. So I have it already, so I'm gonna just install it again for you guys just to see how the installation goes. Just click on install. Okay, and then I should see it here now. The free, the 7-Zip, it's free, but I heard there was some kind of security issues with it. I'm not really sure if they patched the issues. I think it's, but it's still very commonly used at the moment. So I think it's safe. But if you don't want to use it, I would go with WinRAR or just zip features on the Windows. But I'm going to show you how to use 7-Zip. Some of the files are come with 7-Zip, so you need to download 7-Zip as well, just to open them if you download something from the internet. So the same thing, select everything, right click. Actually, this is called compress, so I'm just gonna open it here. That's the 7-Zip, that's the folder. Right click. Now you have option 7-Zip. No, I have it in Polish. I don't know. Okay, so basically I know what's happened. Just the language is Polish on my operating system, so I'm gonna just change it now, and hopefully that will give me some more options. No, it's still in Polish, but I'm gonna add to compression format. So the first option from the top is add to compression, add to archive. Now you have all this software here, options. Now you can change the file name, you can change the format. If you want to send it with zip, for someone who doesn't have 7-Zip, you can just put zip. Just don't put the password, because Windows will not be able to open it without with the file that is password protected. So I'm gonna use 7RAR. I'm gonna put the password test, and test again. You don't have to worry about the other parameters, and just click on OK, and that's created here. Okay, So that's you can send it with the email, you can share it with OneDrive or with other cloud systems. So that's it, guys. If you have any comments, just please put below the video. Any questions, give me a shout. I hope you like it. Please subscribe, of course, my channel, and like this video if you don't mind. That'd be great. Thank you.